Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to fix this problem. You see we have this name, it doesn't look the way it's supposed to look like. It's incorrect, it's supposed to be branches in plural. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the models.py file and find the branch model and add class meta, and then we say verbose underscore name plural equals to branches. Okay, so after implementing this, we are supposed to see the changes. They should be correct. Let's go to the admin dashboard, and there you go, it has been corrected. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also support me so that I can make more content like this. Thank you for watching, and let me see you in the next video.